So, this is how we roll here at Assembly 08. It's around 4 o'clock in the morning and I'm on a night shift. There's still around 5 hours to go before I'm out of here. You know, and it's getting a little bit slow now. As we can see, most of the hallways are empty. Some sort of zombies. There's a little group of people that's been sitting around here the whole time. And what else there is? Nothing else. This is fun.
This is the bridge of the kickstart, and I used those women objects.
Are they women?
Yeah, I used
they have high heels, every one of them. And of course, if there are virtual characters in the film, motion capture is now the standard of making them move. So.
Yeah, I'm watching the second assembly dailies video.
Keep on waiting that refresh button. But what we have today we have the remix pack ready. At least something is finished.
For itself.